Hello, my name's Tom. I want to introduce you to my Tiki cocktail shaker. This is the Tom's Tiki cocktail shaker. It is a two-piece cocktail shaker with an etched design on both pieces of the shaker. You'll also know it's my shaker because both pieces have my signature on the base of the shaker. You can just about see it there. And you'll also notice it is an unweighted shaker. So whereas this shaker has a weight on the bottom, we went for an unweighted design because we wanted the minimum amount of pieces possible so that this shaker will last you forever. As long as you take care of your shaker, this shaker will take care of you. You can make any shaken cocktail with this two-piece cocktail shaker, and I think you'll agree, it looks fantastic sitting on your bar top or sitting on your shelf at home. It's very, very easy to use because of the flexible stainless steel that makes it very easy to close and create the vacuum between the two pieces, and even easier to break it open and separate them when you need to strain out your cocktail. The large part of the shaker will fit any strainer. I have a drop-in strainer right here, or the Ninja strainer, also from Beaumont, or any other strainer, regular strainer that you have available will fit perfectly with my Tom's Tiki shaker. The etched design is personal to my shaker, so you won't find this design on any other cocktail shaker, and that design will not go anywhere. It will not fade, it will not change. It is etched into the cocktail shaker, which means it will last you and will stay looking like that forever. So there we go, that is the Tom's Tiki cocktail shaker.